tournaments have been canceled, and we got the itch though. So fishing with my good buddy Troy Morrow. We're having a little challenge today. His buddy Belat, his brother Deion. So the 5-fish tournament. See who can come out up on top today. Y'all stay tuned. We'll let y'all ride along today and see what we catch.
You gotta try to make it like, oh, we gotta rip it forward, hard, just go fishing.
Spots, you can only catch them on the left side of the boat.
Yeah.
Largemouth, you gotta catch them on the right side of the boat.
Y'all can go with all that hard stuff. What are you doing? Staying in the bridge spot? Don't cheat.
Man, you can't take these pros anywhere. They just act like they own the lake, man. Look at this, just washing us out. Ooh, captured one, number one. Who is he, nutter?
He just thinks he's big. Stumpfish.
Keeper number one.
Maybe.
Not a bad little spot. Ah, yeah, I think he'll go in the box. Sweet. Oh, they're going down today. No wonder these spots get growing real good in this lake. This is good looking bottom. Like, we don't have this kind of bottom. Huh?
Yeah, this lake has the perfect habitat for spots.
I'm just gonna pass it. It should pop free. It's just right behind there.
If it doesn't, we gotta go back and get it. There's so many old cedar stumps in this lake. There's always a good chance it's on a stump, not just a rock.
Don't do that at home.
Yeah, that's probably not recommended. It's so much prettier than the other.
Oh, my bad. Go for it. Uh-oh, he's got the crankbait out. One thing about Troy, you're gonna have a crankbait going, you're gonna have these depth finders going. They mess around when it comes to that. Maybe a little 1/2 ounce Carolina rig. Co-angler mode right now. Trying to get my limit. There's our competitors way over in the distance. They probably got some inside information. What do you think? You probably got some secret intel. There one. Big old spotted bass. Biggins. Number 2.
I told you he was.
Might try the opposite strategy, just get on the hardest wind blowing stuff. Captured another one. Might figure something out on old jerkbait. He's a little better. A better one.
You're liking that?
No, he ain't not that better. He's just a fat one. Not much longer. But
13.5 whopper whopper.
keep grabbing the wrong line. Whoa. I was just like, both of them just jerked. That was me.
No, not on the other side of that point.
Oh no, I didn't see it.
Just do that where you had a line too. See the little rock seam?
Yeah.
About 5 feet on the other side of it, about 10 feet off.
Sometimes with spots in clear water, if you work your bait slowly, you see it too. Well, they're schooling behind the boat. Big ones. There he is. Gigantic spotted bass. My specialty. Big old gigantic.
Pretty solid one. He's pretty solid. What do you do now? Do you keep fishing, or what? What do you do? He's
Not
solid.
quite as big as that one Troy caught first thing. He's about the same size. And for the 27th time, I'm gonna open the wrong live well. You gotta retie? Yeah, there's another one. Good one too. Good one right here, buddy. This is the net. This shoot. Shouldn't have moved your boat. I would have caught him a fish. He's hooked funny. This is nice. Well, I have a large bass or I have a spot bass. It's like pulling up a piece of plywood. We will take him. Chunk. The old Extreme Lure Creations. I was already in flight though. Tried. That's all I could come up with.
It's all about the English.
These guys, man, we trying to fish right here. They just, these pros just come on in wherever they. And it's all this water out here. And we can't even, all this no matter where we go, look at this. They just gonna come up here and just fish right on top of us.
Well, I got here first. 1930.
I can see your trolling motor. Oh, you don't want to start at 18,
I was born in '82.
I was too.
Hold on, I might need to get a better look at this. Are you going?
Suckers, the bubbles are hiding. The bubbles, I can't see which one's the biggest because the bubbles are hiding.
Buddy, is that even a legal cat?
It's 12 and a quarter. So we put your largemouth in there, and then weigh them separate, and then double.
And divide it by 3.
Yeah. Because we were doing largemouth weighs double.
All right, man, this is gonna be a long thing.
What does he weigh?
803.
Hold on, I gotta get this
Holy
on.
smokes! Are you kidding me? This is the top number?
Yeah.
879.
Whoa.
879
Hey,
plus.
you gotta do like
We
that.
gotta weigh a.
Wow.
We weigh a largemouth.
8.
You might not register. 0.70.
Oh, dude, maybe I should have put the other spot in there.
Too bad now.
Oh my God!
Blue had 9.
So, add another 0.70. Yeah. So, what was it?
879
879.
plus 0.70.
It's about to get real, folks.
All right, so our rules were if you caught a largemouth that you could double the weight. So my largemouth weighed 0.70, which equals a 140. We probably had a spot in there that was probably 130. But here's the Morrow Jordan crowd. Look, he's
Team Georgia.
Team Jordan. Oh, he's gonna do
Georgia.
it. Oh, just take my man out.
I just said Team
Just
Georgia,
took
not
Team Georgia. Oh,
Georgia versus South Carolina Challenge. Right?
I guess, yeah. I didn't think I had 8 something. Oh, wow! Wow! Wow!
Let's get on this side.
Let me see.
Wow! Wait a minute, you already
you
got
have number
5 in there.
Do you have number 5?
Do you have? Wow! 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 10 pounds. 11, 10, 11,
Guys.
11, 10.
Call it up. 1096.
1095. A double large, and he's a big one too, so it'll be, what is it?
Caught him on
Double
no
largemouth.
jerking bait.
On a jerkbait. That's what my best will come on too, is jerkbait. So he's now 297 plus.
That's 6 pounds.
So what was it? What did y'all have at the beginning?
So you had 3 pounds.
Feel like 11.
So it's
11. So
basically
13
100.
pounds and a lot. 13 pounds and a lot. So 13 pounds to 9 pounds. They won by half a pound today. They won by half a pound today on the South Carolina versus Georgia.
All right, that right there is a blueback herring. That is 100% what the bass world revolves around here in Georgia and South Carolina on our clear lakes this time of year. But the way we caught our fish today, these fish will get up on these like flat, sandy, just clay banks. And when the bluebacks get up there, they're spawning, the fish are gonna be right there in ambush. A lot of times you catch them on top waters, swim baits, soft jerk baits. Caught them today on a hard jerk bait, one that's painted up like a blueback there, pretty close. You know, you just got to cover a lot of water until you run into them, but I think it's probably some of the best fishing that you'll run into this time of year, wherever you find those guys right there. Also too, run into stripers and hybrids, guys may kind of shy away thinking that they're not going to find a bass, but wherever you find those stripers and hybrids, these guys are going to be there, the bass are going to be right there with them. So find those, you're going to find fish.